Hi everyone, my name is Amin. I'm a master's student in Industry 4.0 technologies. I have decided to make a playlist of videos by which I'll be sharing with you my graduation project about building a data hub for continuous manufacturing using the outstanding manufacturing operating system of Libre. The purpose of making these videos is to share with the community how to use the platform and to better understand its architecture, as well as showing an example what we can build with it. In this introductory video, I'm going to introduce the platform to you and showing you the final result of my project I got so far, which is a real use case that we're going to work on in this playlist. So without further ado, I'll let you with this quick video by Libre to give you an idea about the platform.
Are you frustrated with your manufacturing software? Tired of high costs for point solutions and data platforms that don't scale? We designed our manufacturing operating system to use a novel hub-and-spoke architecture. Welcome to Libre, the first infinitely scalable data hub for manufacturers. Libre efficiently collects, stores, and processes all your manufacturing data into a standards-enforced yet flexible manufacturing knowledge graph. One version of the truth, delivered through a single GraphQL API. Libre is revolutionizing manufacturing. Free to pilot, priced for adoption. Get yours at www.libremfg.com.
As you saw, Libre is a manufacturing operating system, and it is indeed, in my point of view, revolutionizing the industry by this open MOS. The Libre manufacturing operating system allows you to model your equipment and the data that your equipment provides, and it is based on the ISO 95 standard that provides you with the framework to define your equipment, materials and processes and the relationships between them, as well as connect to your manufacturing data sources, in addition to store machine data in a specialized time series database with full context from your equipment model, along with defining rules for capturing event data from your equipment and store that event data, and again with full context. Also, define materials and recipes that describe the way products are manufactured in your plants, and other use cases that we're going to see. And what makes the platform unique, in my opinion, is that you can access all of your data through an open GraphQL API, as we're going to see later. Using the system, allowing you to integrate your business system very easily, like your ERP or your quality systems. Also, you can build your own applications that meet your business requirements, as the platform giving you a low-code environment where you can build your own applications. Last but not least, the platform is horizontally scalable, which means when your system grows, you don't have to worry about adding other servers or paying for extra costs, which is by itself amazing. I don't want to make this video very long, so I highly recommend you to go to the website and read more about the platform and discover the components of the platform, as we will discuss each component in detail in future videos. For now, let's take a quick look on the architecture of the platform in their GitHub repository. Here, the Libre platform is an event-driven microservices architecture written in Go language. Here, the Libre UI, which is the front-end UI application, communicates primarily through the GraphQL gateway and receives event notifications directly from the event bus. Here, the Apollo Federation used to compose a single GraphQL schema from multiple GraphQL services. They're using two types of databases, one to store all 9 time series data, and they're using the Graph, which is a GraphQL native open source database. And here we find the implementation of the ISO 95 standard and other things. For non-time series or for time series data, they're using InfluxDB, which is indeed the leading open source time series database in the world, and it represents the historian in the system. We're not going to go in deep for now, but we're going to get back to the architecture as we're going in this playlist of videos. So here you might know the Grafana, the famous dashboard tool, which we use to visualize the data. And for the MQTT broker, they're using the MQX, open source MQTT broker. And for the low-code platform, they're using AppSmith. And here is the Libre warehouse management system, which is not free. It's not included in this Docker Compose file, and it is for the enterprise version. And for the Libre Edge, it is the tool that we use to connect to the manufacturing data sources like the Office UA or the MQTT or Modbus, which is not supported yet. And here you find the instructions to install the platform. And this will be the next video in this playlist. I hope by now you have an idea about the platform, and it is normal if you find it complicated for the first time. But I promise you, by the end of this series of videos, you'll be more comfortable using the system. Last but not least, let me show you what I have built with the platform for my project so far. What you're seeing here is the SCADA program that represents the circuit in the production unit. In fact, it is more complicated than this. And to give you an idea, this is a metallurgy continuous process to extract metals from each other. What I have shown you earlier is the digital version of this circuit, along with some advanced analytics. We'll get back to this in next videos. Thank you for watching.